check out my new blue car. Isn't it pretty cool? Here's the back and it says Road Rippers. And here's the driver's side. And here's the front. Put the engine right there. Let's see what it does. Oh, look at the front too. It was doing, the headlights came off. Let's try the triangle button right here and see what it does. Whoa, that was fast. Let's try the rectangle button and see what it does this time. Got a green circle dish here, and today I'm hungry, so I thought it would be a good idea if we made some pizza. So I've already made our crust, and I've put some sauce on the bottom, and then I've sprinkled it all over with cheese, because who doesn't love cheese? But I thought we could do some special toppings on top of our pizza too. Making a pizza is fun with your family, a homemade pizza when you've got time. So the first thing I thought we could put on our pizza is some pepperoni. And I thought we could make 2 slices of pepperoni for those people who like pepperoni. And actually, I've got enough to make 1 more slice pepperoni because lots of people like pepperoni pizza. So we have 1, 2, 3 slices of pepperoni. Now, does anybody know what these are? They're a vegetable. They're red and green peppers.